Importance of 14th August 1947. Pakistan and India got Pakistan independence in succession of a day. Pakistan became independent on 14th August 1947 and India on the 15th August 1947. The 14th August coincident with the 27th of Ramzan with the 27th of Ramzan 1366 AH. The 27th of Ramzan described in the Holy Quran as Laylatul Qadr, the right of power. It was fortunate that Pakistan independent on 27th Ramzan. This is taken an event commanded by Almighty Allah. This coincidence of date should always be remembered with gratitude as a bestowal of Allah. Since the British India was to be divided, it was natural that Pakistan was to emergence of India as an independent country. 14th August 1947 has great importance in the history of the subcontinent because on that day the Muslims got a separate homeland for which they started struggle.